Hello friends, in this video we're going to see how to download and install MySQL on Windows operating system. So let's get started. So search for MySQL download in Google. The result page will give you the links for downloading MySQL. You'll find there is a second link available, download MySQL Installer. Click on this link. On the next page, scroll down a little bit. Here you can select the operating system. It is Microsoft Windows. You'll find there are two installers available. One is Web Community, which is online setup with 18.5 MB size. It needs internet while installation. Second one is offline installer with 376 MB. It does not need internet once it is downloaded while installing. Click on the second download button for downloading MySQL. On this page, just click on the last link. No thanks, just start my download. So once you click on this, your MSI will be downloaded on your machine. It will take a while for downloading MySQL. Once it is downloaded, you are ready to install and configure MySQL. So in the next video, we'll see how to install and configure MySQL. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.